Hi, Happy Easter! Daddy's right here. Happy Easter! There's the Easter Bunny came. You want to go see what you got?
Yes.
You want to see the Easter bunnies?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Yeah, let's go. Say hi, Daddy.
Hi, Miris.
Let's go see what the Easter Bunny brought. Do you
Can I have a
like it?
kiss?
Easter Bunny?
Yeah.
Easter Bunny. Okay. Is that yours? Yours. Look what Kathy got.
Oh, Pokemon. No, Angapunk.
Maris, what did you get?
Like that.
What else did you get?
Like that.
Did you get some candy?
Yeah.
Where?
Like that.
What else is in there?
Do you like this? Yeah. You like that? And fruit snacks? I think it's hard to open. Rawr. Thing won't open. I need some scissors.
Maris, I'll open it for you.
Yay. Hi. These scissors need to go into this thing.